Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. The topic of today's video is how to plot linear Freundlich isotherm model in origin. So we have discussed about calculating different values like CE, QE in previous videos. The link of those videos is provided in description. You can check from those links. And the main target of this video is about plotting linear Freundlich isotherm model in origin. So how you can fit your Freundlich data to linear equation. So for this you have to take the values of log CE on x-axis and log QE on y-axis. So first of all you need to calculate CE. If you directly calculate residual concentration from your instrument, then well and good. But if you are unable to find the equilibrium concentration after adsorption process, then you have to use calibration curve, and calibration from that calibration curve you need to take the slope value. Then that slope value will be divided by final absorbance. We have discussed in playlist that is provided in description. So for calculating CE you need to take the slope of calibration curve. After that once your CE is calculated, you can then take the logarithmic form of CE, and same is for QE. You have to take the log of QE on for putting the values on y-axis for plotting graph. So after you have calculated the data for Freundlich isotherm model, you need to select the data from here, and then you can go to plot. In plot option you can select any of the graph like line graph or scatter, but I must prefer to use the scattered graph, because the line will automatically be added when we fit the data to linear model. Okay, so the graph is plotted here, and you can add its border, and you can like make changes, editing in the font size of color, writing of those graph data. So these are formatting we have discussed earlier, so you can check from previous videos of this playlist. Okay, so after that when the graph is plotted, you can select any of the data points. After selecting, you need to go to analysis here, and from here you can select fitting, and after that linear fit, and then you can go to open dialog. When the open dialog box will be opened, you need to click on OK, and here the linear line of Freundlich model is automatically added to your graph. So here is the slope, intercept and R-square values of your Freundlich model. You can see the slope value here and intercept here, and the R-square for your model is 0.97467. So it's better to use the 2 points after decimal like 0.97. So if you want to write some more digits, you can write up to 3 digits like 0.974. So from these slope and intercept values you can easily calculate the Freundlich constant value like Kf. You can also calculate the value of n, that is Freundlich exponent, and the value of n, if it is greater than 1, it shows the feasibility of adsorption process. So we have discussed already about the Freundlich model assumptions, its parameter calculation, how to calculate, and all these its linear and non-linear expression in previous videos of playlist that is provided in the description box. So here once you have plotted the graph, you can make any kind of formatting or editing in this, like you can make you can change the color of the line by making it blue, and you can change its like width, more width like 2, and all these changes you can do. You can keep this box in the within the graph, or else you can remove this box from here. So it's better to remove from here, and you can add your R-square value by going to this text option, and then you can write R, and then you can go to here superscript R-square, and then you need to press superscript again, and it equals 0.974. Okay, and you can then make it bold, and you can also change its right size to 18 as like this one. So you can add R-square on the graph. So you can also make these axis titles as bold, and you can add like units if it is appropriate to add. So in this way you can easily fit your data to linear Freundlich isotherm model. So I hope this video helps you a lot in plotting the linear Freundlich isotherm graph. Thank you for watching. In coming videos we will discuss some more topics regarding graph plotting. Till then, Allah Hafiz.